Today we're going to take a look at the new token on MDB called Infinity. We're going to take a look at how you can get in the pre-sale, when it launches, what it does for the ecosystem, and how it actually benefits MDB holders. Welcome back to the APY Guy Crypto and DeFi channel, where I try to bring you the best projects and information in the crypto space. If you like crypto and passive income, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's jump right into the white paper. So what is Infinity? Infinity is a hyper-deflationary token with low taxes that is backed by the Infinity Fund. Infinity Fund will have a ratio of 20-to-1 Infinity Fund to liquidity pool at launch, which is going to be 20 times backing for the token. But the smaller liquidity pool is going to make it more volatile, and the price is going to fluctuate more, which is going to be ideal for traders. Very small percentage of the fund can have a significant impact on the price of Infinity. Okay, we're going to take a look at the tokenomics. The total supply of Infinity is only 10 million tokens, and 1.5 million are going to be locked in the NFTs that they're going to have, called Infinity Yacht Club, which we'll talk about later. So technically there's only 8.5 million tokens, which is a tiny amount. Okay, to explain the NFTs really quick, it says that it's their second collection of NFTs, Infinity Yacht Club. So it will offer an opportunity to earn MDB through staking a locked supply of Infinity via Xenia. So there's 300 NFTs, and each will cost the equivalent of $1,000 in Phoenix Plus. So it's going to cost Phoenix. You're going to use Phoenix Plus to buy it, and they're going to be available during the pre-sale. And there's no whitelist requirement for those. Therefore, anybody can buy the NFT as part of the pre-sale. Okay, the NFT gives you equivalent of $1,000 of Infinity, 5,000 Infinity tokens at pre-sale, locked within the NFT. And then you stake it and you get MDB reward, as you would with Infinity tokens. An opportunity for whitelist users to get an allocation of Infinity equivalent at pre-sale price, or whitelisters to increase their holdings, because if you're whitelisted, then you can buy the Infinity at the discounted price. The Infinity cannot be removed from the NFT. That's what I'm saying, that the way they're talking, it's that there's only 8.5 million total Infinity tokens. Okay, now we're going to go to what I think is the most interesting part, is the staking. So it says split strategically across NFTs and Infinity tokens. Significant rewards compounded with the appreciating nature of Infinity points to aggressive returns. So the way it works is you stake your Infinity tokens, and you're going to receive MDB tokens as a reward. But the MDB is going to be bought off the open market by the Infinity Fund. So MDB is always going to have buy pressure on it from rewarding the Infinity stakers, which I think is amazing for MDB, and it's good for as well for Infinity. And then the more stakers, the more the price will go up of Infinity, because there'll be less on the market, and there's already a scarce supply. As we looked at it, what was there after they take the 1.5 million, you only have 8.5 million left. But I think that's a huge bullish part, that they're buying the MDB for rewards off the open market. Okay, and the Infinity Fund, it's kind of like the trust fund, but it's different. So it says like the trust fund with some aggressive changes, and is invested into our strategic partners. So they're investing in so far they got Gray Market and EMP down here as their Infinity partners. And then also they are prioritizing Infinity burns and MDB rewards. Instead of kind of building it up like the trust fund, they're trying to build it up as high as they can get it. They're actually going to use a lot of the Infinity Fund to burn tokens and give the MDB rewards, which again, the MDB rewards are getting bought off the open market, which is giving more buy pressure to the MDB token. Okay, I guess we could check the taxes really quick. So the following taxes that are for Infinity are 5% buy, 5% sell, 5% transfer, 5% on stake and staking the tokens, and then 5% for NFT royalties. Taxes are split 60-40, 60% is invested into the Infinity fund of the taxes, and that would be to buy back and burn, or to give the rewards of the MDB. Again, that's bought off the open market, and 40% into the Phoenix Plus, the LP pair. Okay, then they have a section that says how to gain value with Infinity. I know how to gain value. You can stake it and get MDB, so that's where I'm going to be doing, and plus the scarcity of the token. But what they're saying here is stake it, stake Infinity, and earn MDB every 7 days. Entering or leaving the pool incurs a 5% tax fee. Then trade it, and they're trying to promote trading due to the volatility of Infinity. A price movement of 50% in a single day would not be unexpected. Below taxes, this offers opportunity to trade. Please always do your own research and due diligence around trading. Okay, and then they have a couple strategies. They show a high risk, which would be trading it. Medium risk would be trading and staking, and then low risk would be in the NFT and staking for MDB rewards. But that's what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to stack as much MDB as possible. You just get more MDB, and then you stake that, and then you just compound it. That's what I've been doing. So then we'll get into the pre-sale here. So the pre-sale is September 13th. I believe that's a Tuesday. Find out here. Yeah, it's a Tuesday. Run for a maximum of 24 hours, and the currency required to purchase will be Phoenix Plus. Resale allocations are as follows. MDB VIP members, 5,000 maximum allocation. I think that VIP members got to have 1 million MDB to start. Whitelist Millionaires Club members, they get $1,000 maximum allocation. NFTs, the NFT, there will only be 300 NFTs available for general sale at $1,000 each. And then there's going to be 5,000 Infinity tokens in the NFT itself. And then you stake the NFT to earn more MDB tokens. So this pre-sale maximum of $1.5 million across Infinity tokens and NFT. And then it says if over 1.25 million has been raised at the 2-hour mark, the pre-sale will be closed at this point. Otherwise, it'll run at a maximum of 24 hours. And it says the stealth launch of Infinity will be across a 6-hour window on September 18th. Okay, make sure you hit the like button for this video, because I'm giving you all kinds of crazy pre-sale information. No, but seriously, so all you have to do to be in the Millionaires Club to get the whitelist is you have to have 53,000 MDB tokens. So let's see, what is 53,000 right now? So we do it times 0.096. Where's it at? Here, let's take a look at the chart. And this chart's incredible. It just, we're in a bear market, and it's just been going up. It's just and it's just deflationary, so it just keeps going up. It's gonna keep going up. So 0.0096. Where's my calculator at? I did 0.0097. So $514 worth of MDB. And then you can get into the whitelist if you're in the Millionaires Club. So just something to think about. So 20 cents a token. It's not going to stay at 20 cents a token. I doubt that for sure. I'm sure it'll be crazy fluctuation the first day. Might go down, might go up a lot, might go down a lot. We'll see. That's everything to do with this, including the pre-sale. So mark it on your calendar, September 13th. Okay, make sure you like the video and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of these pre-sale videos in the future. Thank you for watching and have a great day.